Stop ignoring the birds, listen instead. They're not just noise. They're little neighbors with big stories. Let's meet 3 garden birds. First, the robin hops like a tiny red-cheeked explorer. Name: European robin. Spot: often on low branches or the lawn. Fun fact: robins sing all year, even in winter, to protect their home. Next, the blue tit darts like a bright blue acrobat. Name: blue tit. Spot: zooms around feeders and tree twigs. Fun fact: it can remember dozens of hiding spots for food. Finally, the blackbird strolls like a calm storyteller. Name: common blackbird. Spot: scratches the leaf litter. Fun fact: male blackbirds have a rich fluting song to impress friends. Each time the child watches, they learn a new bird. Keep a notebook, whisper gentle questions, and the garden will tell its secrets.